This video is about how to solve trig equations with a graphing calculator. For A, 2 sine 2x minus 0.564 is equal to 0. X is between 0 and 2 pi. Since this is a linear pattern equation, you need to isolate sine 2x on one side. So I have sine 2x equals, cross the river, change the sign, then divided by 2. You have 0.564 divided by 2. This is the first step. Your second step, you will find the reference angle. So we assume sine alpha, because this is a sine 2x, so we will set up sine alpha equals 0.564 over 2. Alpha is between 0 and a pi over 2. We call this is a reference angle. Therefore, for this alpha, we can write down inverse sine of 0.564 over 2. Go to calculator. We will do second sine 0.564 divided by 2. Enter. We will store this number alpha into alpha beta A. So we click store. Alpha math. That's letter A. Enter. So if you press letter A, alpha math, you will get the reference angle. So our reference angle is 0.2858. Third step, we will use alpha to rewrite the equation. This equation, that is sine 2x equals sine alpha. If we are solving the trig equation with a graphing calculator, we will go to the domain from 0 to 2 pi. Don't worry about this given domain. We just use the angle from 0 to 2 pi. So we have alpha, pi minus alpha, pi plus alpha, and 2 pi minus alpha. We have all students take calculus. Therefore, since sine alpha, this is a positive, so we go to first and then the second quadrant. You will get sine alpha is the first quadrant. Second quadrant will be sine pi minus alpha. Then you will set up 2x equals alpha and 2x equals pi minus alpha. We will solve for x. X equals alpha over 2. Here x equals pi minus alpha over 2. Then we need to write down general form. So how to write down the general form? Here is the rule. We know for tangent x, in one period, you have one solution. Therefore, we will get one solution. For the period of tangent x, that is p equals pi over b. Then this will be the general form. You just need to get one solution. Then plus p times k. K is all integers. For sine, cosine, you could say in a period, you have two solutions. So you need to get two solutions, x1 and x2. Your period is 2 pi over b for sine and cosine. Then your general form, you have 2. X equals x1 plus period times k, or x equals x2 plus period times k. K is all real numbers. So for general form, you need to figure out the period. That is 2 pi over 2 equals pi. The coefficient of x is b. So you get the period equals 2 pi over 2 equals pi. We will label this is x1, here's x2. Therefore, for the general form, x equals alpha over 2 plus p times k, that is pi times k, or x equals pi minus alpha over 2 plus pi times k. K is all integers. Then we will put these two into y1 and y2. K we will change into x. Then check the table to get the solution. Go to y equals. We do know we already save reference angle to this A. So alpha, we just use letter A to stand for it. For y1, we will do alpha math divided by 2, then plus pi times x. For y2, we will use alpha y equals, enter, alpha pi minus letter A over 2, then plus pi x. We will go to table. Second graph, go to table. We are looking for the number between 0 to 2 pi. So check y1 and y2. This is the table we got from a graphing calculator. You could say between 0 and 2 pi. 2 pi is 6.28. So this is the answer. This is answer. This is a not. So this is your answer. This is answer. So we have 4 answers. Write down the answer with 3 sig figs. So you have 0.143, 3.28, 1.43, 4.57. This will be the solution.